Hello people, today in this video tutorial I will show you, as you can see title, how to import OpenToonz projects on another PC from external hard drive. I got some projects, but first of all I have to eject this hard drive what I have. Sometimes it's important to keep projects on external hard drive because this is like backup of your files, because you can still import projects, but I have to show you what I will be doing to be able to import this successfully. I don't know if I said it in English properly. I think from this catalog, because I got one of the projects, you have to pay attention what is important. This is main catalog where all folders are kept. Each folder has been treated as main project. I excluded from sandbox. Another important thing is each separate folder has files in it. For example, level file, scene file. I will show you. When you have everything in one folder, you can still import your scene. I think this catalog contains TIFF image. When you work with raster level and vector level at the same time, you also have TIFF files. I don't use Toonz raster level because Toonz raster level does not support my paint brushes. I will show you my animation. As you can see, I did it in OpenToonz. I use the raster level and vector level. You also have a separate catalog scene icons PNG file. Wait a minute. Nothing comes up. You see, it is PNG file. You have to have whole catalog to be able to import this. And I will show you how I will be importing it on my another partition, because I opened it in Windows 10, but now I will open it in Windows 8.1. You have to run application and you will have to quit and you will have to open application up once again. Because OpenToonz by default it creates a sandbox as main folder. You have to exclude sandbox from your external projects. Now what I did, if you want to import, you do exactly like you create new thing. In general, when you select custom, additional option comes up. As you can see, one of my projects has been created as a main project. But if you select another project as a main project, you can import your project. I have to show you what will happen if I don't do properly. But first of all, okay, I have to show you what will happen without using option project management. If I just want to import, I will have problems because you have to do step by step. But I have to show you this, what will happen if you will not do as I will tell you to do. I have to show it opened my project, but you still need to click. I have to check something. This project has been treated as main project, but if you want to just import, you cannot just import because error will come up. Oh, I got a new folder which I didn't set up. If you don't set up new project properly, you will not probably be able to import. I have to check. As you can see, why this came up? This came up because we did not use option, first option to use as custom, another option to use as new project. This is why I have this issue, but I will show you what to do to bypass this issue. In preferences, you have to select one catalog. I know what I am doing. Animate strawberry. After selecting this, you have to click application. Don't worry about this message because we have to launch again application. You cannot just import new project without setting up. We exclude it from sandbox. Now we can use option new project. We have catalog animate strawberry. I have to put a name and you have to append all files to that catalog. This is quite important. Because you will be able to import from your external hard drive. Folder is green because we create as a main folder. It does not belong to sandbox, but you still need to use option new project if you want to import all files from that catalog which we copied from external hard drive. Unfortunately, this is how this program works. As you can see, I no longer get this error because we have imported properly our project, all keyframes, level files. I think we also have raster drawing palette. If you select raster, you have your palette. Oh, this is important too. I didn't talk about this. Animate strawberry catalog. My brush palette. Okay, sorry, my mother was talking to me. I cannot really work when someone disturbs me. Okay, I must show you another file which is important. My brush palette raster and this extension, this is important too, but I have to change extension. ACDC shouldn't open this because this is not extension which is to do with ACDC, but which is to do with OpenToonz program. Okay, dear people, I hope that you will be able to work. You can still use option save all when you work with files. Check if all files are located at the same folder. If you click level settings, you should be able to check. As you can see, this is included in that catalog. This is key format. Check also where your level is located, but it's located in the same catalog, because you have to append your files to that catalog. You have to use append option. Please do as I told you to do, so you will be able to import your all projects to another computer, to another hard drive.